could fall in love and paint away the gray before we turn to dust and fade away. If you could fall in love and see the silence break, would it be enough to ease the pain? Hear me now, I'm calling out, so can you hear me now? Just say I haven't lost you. Say you never go. Hear me now. Just say I haven't lost you. 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 Give me a direction so I can find my place. Something to remind me that you